Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a helper column that joins values from 3 columns. Use a formula like equals A2 and B2 and C2 to combine text and numbers. This approach is fast in sheets with up to 1,000 rows. Next, use search or find against that helper column to locate partial matches. Wrap search in IFER to avoid errors when no match exists. Finally, convert the helper column into a table. Tables keep references stable and allow quick filtering for matches across combined data. If you have Excel 365, use XLOOKUP or filter for dynamic multi-column searches. XLOOKUP returns matches across a single lookup array and can work with combined helper arrays. Filter returns entire rows that meet criteria across multiple columns. Use wildcards like *search* in XLOOKUP or use search inside filter for partial matches. These formulas update automatically when data changes. They avoid creating persistent helper columns and scale well for datasets with thousands of rows. For older Excel versions, use SumProduct to test multiple columns in one expression. Build logical tests like A2, A100 equals term, plus B2, B100 equals term to count matches. To locate the first matching row, use an array formula combining index and match with MIN on matching positions. Remember to enter legacy arrays with Control plus Shift plus Enter if needed. Convert your data into a named range or a table before applying formulas. Tables make formulas easier to read and reduce errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.